what we're doing today. We're gonna make lava lamps out of baking soda and vinegar, and we're gonna figure out what makes the bubbles rise. And so all you need for this is just a flask, coat the bottom of it with baking soda, fill it with vegetable oil, and then add a little bit of food coloring to your vinegar. And as you pour it into the glass, a really cool reaction takes place. Let's find out what it looks like. I'm over here with Rihanna. Rihanna, are you ready? Okay, go ahead and slowly add your vinegar to the flask and let's find out what happens. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I want to see those bubbles. See some bubbles on the bottom. Now they're starting to rise. The question is, what makes them rise? Because it's not hot. This lava lamp isn't rising because it's hot. This is actually an endothermic reaction. It actually reduces the temperature of the solution. But those bubbles are rising because they're less dense than the oil around them. And as that acetic acid touches the baking soda at the bottom, it becomes carbonic acid, which then breaks down into water and carbon dioxide gas. That's what's in the bubbles. That is so neat. All right, let's do another one. We got lots of them. Let's come over here.
Why me?
Okay, Devin, add your acetic acid, your vinegar. Let's find out what happens. Oh, you have red bubbles. Cool.
Do I just dump the rest?
Sure, yeah.
Yee?
Let's find out what happens. I'm gonna get a little closer so we can see them. Let's watch them as they start to rise.
It's all the way.
Yeah, that carbonic acid is breaking into CO2. I love doing this lab. That is cool.
I think I put too much in there.
Well, that's why we have it on a tray. That's okay if it overflows a little bit. Look at those bubbles. Okay, let's come over here because Heidi, you have a flask. You're ready to go. Heidi and Chavez. Let's add that and see what happens. Look, here we go. Look. You guys have green bubbles. That's perfect, Heidi. All right, Shabazz, why are the bubbles rising? Is it because they're hot or something else?
Because they're cold.
They're cold? Yeah, it is cool. It's endothermic. Are the bubbles more or less dense than the oil? They're less dense. Take a look over here. I'm with Jaden. Jaden, go ahead and add your acetic acid and let's find out what happens. You're doing great. There they go. That's good. And this reaction will keep going for a good 10 minutes. And you just put about a centimeter of baking soda on the bottom there, of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, you ready, William? Let's find out what happens. What color do you got? Red?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. The acetic acid is reacting with the sodium bicarbonate and it's starting to make carbonic acid and sodium acetate, and that carbonic acid breaks down into water and carbon dioxide gas. That's what's in those bubbles. That is cool. Okay, we got another one. There's more. Okay, you guys, you ready? What color do you guys have? Blue? Okay. Yep, add your vinegar. That is cool. There they go. That is awesome. You see them rising in the bottom there? That is cool. Lava lamps in RamZland. Good job, you guys.